Hey, hello, Mr. ST. I'm gonna make a short video. So sometimes I make videos way too long, so I'm going to make them short. So I'm working on the grid of the standoff of the STO. The way the PCB looks right now is excellent. So I cannot do anything else with the PCB. It looks really nice. The tweaking that you did is just perfect, perfect. I can I cannot continue tweaking anymore. That this is excellent. We had to check the opto circuit. I think the most important area is the opto circuit, making sure that everything is correct. I already checked it many times, but I will continue checking one more time, just comparing with the simulation, just to make sure that. You mentioned something about the C1 is missing on the PCB. I gotta look for that. Also, what I did, I just create a sort of like a grid reference for the standoff, because we know that this PCB is going to be over the power supply PSS version 3.7. So what I did, I just create a CAD, sort of like a CAD software looking thing, whatever they call it. I don't know. So I sort of like that. So I place it on top of the power supply PSS version 3.7. So right now, if you can see the grid real align correct is alignment. The alignment is correct. So what I did, I just look at the reference. This is the reference grid, and then I just move it up. As you can tell, the alignment is correct, because if I move it, I will see. Okay, one sample. If I have a mistake on the grid that is not correctly aligned, you will see it like this, but it's not like that. You can tell the alignment is really good. I compare all the standoff holes with the. You can see this one is good. You can tell. So all the alignment is correct, and I'm working on the STO right now. So I just measure the size of the PCB. This one is 88.5 millimeters by 205 millimeters. The size is about the same. I mean, the length is the same. Sorry about that. It's the same. But I measure the distance between the paths, just to make sure. So what I did also, double check too, I just measure the distance. For one sample, I'm gonna use the ruler here, and I measured here. So this one is 77.5 millimeters. So I go back to the STO circuit, and I measure one more time, just to make sure that I have the same measurements. Okay, I have here 77.5 millimeters. I did the same thing with all of them, all of the standoff holes. So basically, this is the pattern of the the standoff thing. The standoff thing. So I really don't want to make the video way too long. Just to let you know that I just check the size of the PCB is good, the standoff is good. You mentioned something about the C1, and I look at your chassis. This look great, look really nice. I cannot do that, something like this. This is great, really nice. Yeah. So I will check the C1 that you mentioned. I think you say something about C1 is missing on the PCB, so I gotta look for that. So far, what I did, I used the opto circuit, is there, but I used the project 16, just a few components from the project 16, because I don't think we need to have too many indicators on the audio amplifier, because after we turn on the STO is going to have a standby LED. We have the Molex connector for the chassis, so it's going to be in front of the chassis. We have the 12-volt switch. Actually, I gotta look for the part number for the switch, so I should do that right now. So let me create a component here. So this is switch 1, build the group. Gonna create a component here, and this is going to be the switch 1. All right, 12-volt switch, 12-volt switch. Okay, 12-volt switch. All right, it's fine. Switch. All right, there you go. I think it's 12-volt switch. So I'm gonna look for the part number for the 12-volt switch. All right, one more thing. I completed the last component it was the C6. We call them the capacitor X. So this one, you can have two choices here. You can either use the ceramic type capacitor or the film type metallized capacitor for this application. That's why we had many pitch distance pads. Hold on, hey, give me a second, guys. Give me a second here. Hold on. Is this good? Okay, let me see the distance here. Hold on. Wait. Okay, 2.750. Okay, 2.750. We here. Okay, that's fine. So we have 10 millimeter pitch distance. We have 15 millimeters. That's a really common capacitor, film capacitor. And we have the 20.5 millimeters. I think that's too big. That's way too big. I think I gotta do something here. Hold on. Give me a second. Because I was looking for parts, and I noticed that there's some capacitor, they have 22.5 millimeter pitch distance. So I gotta look for that today also. As you can see, the bill of material is complete today, and they are all from Mouser. All the components that you see here are from Mouser. Oh, you can see we got the switch. Hold on, we got another switch. Hold on, what's this? Which one it is? Hold on, give me a second. Okay, what happened here? Hold on. Okay, we got that switch one, and this one. What's this one? Selector. It says switch selector. Hold on, give me a second. Why we have two switches here? Hold on, Mouser. What the hell's going on here? We got this one. We got this one here. Wait. Hold on. Give me a second. There's something here. Oh, I see. Okay, switch. Okay, I got it. Don't worry. Okay, I got it. Okay, so this one is to be switch 3. Okay, perfect. Don't worry. Don't be scared. We got it, guys. We got it. Switch 3. So I gotta look for that particular component. The only component that you need to get is from DigiKey is the small transformer. This is the only part that I was trying to look for this transformer on DigiKey, but they don't. I'm sorry about that. On Mouser, but they do not have it. So okay, I'm going to try to find it in Mouser, something similar to this one here. So all the components they are going to be purchased in the same website store, electronic store. So that will be a best choice right there. So okay, yeah, that's it. Most of the components, they're from Mouser, all of them basically. Only one component is going to be purchased from DigiKey. So this is just the small transformer, the plastic type encapsulated transformer. So everything is fine here. We need to continue looking for the opto circuit, comparing from the layout to the schematic, just to make sure that everything is correct. One note here, I was looking for the capacitor, the C3, but I noticed that most of these 10 microfarad capacitor, they come in the 5 millimeter diameter. So, but anyway, I kept the same macro size just in case maybe you will find this capacitor with the 10 millimeter in diameter, because this capacitor is 10.5 millimeter for now, just 10 millimeter in diameter. But I kept this reference so we know that this is a 5 millimeter in diameter capacitor. So it's okay. It's not a big deal. What else here? All the tweaking is being done by Mr. ST, and it's nothing much I can do now, but check all the connectivity, and for this part number, the fancy 12-volt switch for the chassis of the Mr. ST design. So I think in the middle will look really nice in the middle right here. I was looking on Mouser, but I think they do have those fancy 12-volt switch. They come with the LED, and that might look really nice here. All right, guys. That's it. I just wanted to make a quick video about it's supposed to be a quick video, but anyway, I kept talking. All right, guys. Have a good day. I hope you like this video. This is the STO, a soft turn-on circuit for toroidal transformer in application of audio amplifiers. All right, guys, have a good day.